Today we're in my home parish of Clarendon, the land of great vibes, beautiful people, and of course one of Jamaica's biggest and most colorful annual events, the legendary Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show. Whether you're a seasoned farmer, a food fanatic like me, or just somebody who loves good music and good vibes, Denbigh has something to put a smile on your face. So pull up a seat and let's check out 10 interesting facts about this epic event. 1. The biggest in the English-speaking Caribbean. Denbigh isn't just big, it's massive. The largest agricultural expo in the English-speaking Caribbean. It pulls in crowds of 60,000 to 80,000 people every year. That's like the whole parish coming together to celebrate all things farming, food and fun, with enough energy to light up Clarendon for days. 2. Organized by the Jamaica Agricultural Society. This grand event is brought to you by the Jamaica Agricultural Society, or JAS for short. These folks have been championing Jamaican farmers since 1895. The Denbigh Show started back in 1952 and it's still their pride and joy, pushing forward innovation, supporting our farmers and helping keep Jamaica fed and thriving. 3. The 71st staging of the Denbigh Show. The 2025 Denbigh Show marks the 71st staging of this iconic event, lighting up the Denbigh Showground in Maypen, Clarendon from August 1st to 3rd. It's a time when Jamaicans come together to celebrate, network and enjoy everything from livestock to live music. If you've never been, this is definitely one for the bucket list. Vibes, culture and country pride all in one place. Number 4. Align with Jamaica's independence. The timing is no accident. Denbigh usually rolls out the red carpet right around Jamaica's independence celebrations, reminding us that growing our own food and standing strong as a nation go hand in hand. So come for the agriculture and stay for the patriotism. Number 5. Powerful themes each year. Every year, Denbigh drops a message to get us thinking. This year's theme is a new era, overcoming challenges, building resilience, securing our future. Basically, we're saying we're not backing down. Despite hurricanes, climate change, or price hikes, Jamaican farmers are tough, and this show proves it. Number 6. Massive livestock showcase. Animal lovers, hold tight. This year's show boasts tons of animals strutting their stuff. Goats with attitude, proud cattle, playful pigs, and a rabbit that could win a cuteness contest any day. It's a live action farm tour without the muddy boots. Number 7. Powered by strong partnerships. Denbigh's success is no solo act. It's a team effort. Big ups to partners like Hypro and Isratech, who are pouring support, education, and resources into this event. Thanks to them and others, farmers get top-notch help, and visitors get a show that keeps getting better and better every year. Number 8. youth and family focused. Denbigh knows it's not just about the old heads, it's for the whole family. From the youth in agriculture zone, where the young green thumbs get hands-on, to the children and family village, where the little ones can run wild, and even the health and wellness pavilion for those looking to feel good. Denbigh has a spot for everyone. Number 9, and of course there's the much anticipated Parish Pavilion competition, where each parish showcases their best in agriculture, culture and innovation. But it's not just for bragging rights. The winning pavilion walks away with the prestigious Rudolph Burke Trophy, named in honor of stalwarts in Jamaican agriculture, along with national recognition. Number 10, NonStop Entertainment. Denbigh isn't just about farming, it's a full-on party. From the National Farm Queen coronation to live gospel concert like the Gospel Extravaganza featuring legends and the ever-popular Good Vibes Party. There's music, dance and flavor everywhere you turn. And oh, don't forget the food stalls, jerk chicken, jerk pork, soup, and of course, the goodies from the Moya's Delights. Fruit parfait, ice cream, ice pops, they got it all for you. So there you have it, the Denbigh Agricultural Show, a perfect mix of hard work, culture, food and fun all rolled into one big Jamaican family reunion. If you're anywhere near Clarendon next year, come see what the fuss is about. You just might leave with a big smile, a full belly and a little bit more knowledge about agriculture. Thanks for tuning in to Jamaica in 10. I hope you learned something today, because I certainly did. So be sure to like, subscribe, share and comment for more of these interesting videos. As always, live good, love each other, stay curious and be blessed.